Hello everyone, this is how you get onto Brightspace for Miss McLeod's Grade 10 Academic Science. Go to Google and you type in Office 365, okay, on your web browser. Okay, you click it. What it's going to do is going to ask for your credentials, so the username and password you use to access the school's computers and internet. If you don't have that, please email me right away. So once you get to the home page, okay, you click the waffle in the corner. And if it's not here, this is what we're looking for, is Brightspace, but sometimes it won't show there, so you have to click All Apps, and then go down until you see Brightspace right here. And what that's going to do is going to bring you to a home page for Brightspace. You click this waffle, okay, and you look for Miss McLeod's SNC2D. This is the one you want. It might be the only one, or the only option. I have a whole bunch here because I have other classes. So you click it, and it brings you to our Brightspace. Now every day I put exactly what we do. So for example, last Thursday we finished the mitosis lab, we did the review for the quiz and took it up, and we started the onion cell lab. For every day you're not here, you can take a look and see what we've done, and you simply match the schedule to the content icon. Everything, the notes, videos are under that content icon. So for example, when I look at this, the microscope note, okay, I see Unit 2, Lesson 3, so 2.3. So when we go to content, okay, I go into Unit 2, and if I go to 2.3, right here, 2.3, the microscopes, okay, I give you a variety of options here. So you can click the PowerPoint or the PFD, whatever is easiest for your computer. You just simply click it. It's a link. It will download, and then you can open and you'll have the note. Okay, and it's all here for you. Now, if you have a printer, you can print off the note. You can just click here and this will open up. And you can print it off, and if you can't print it off, I have a hard copy at in the classroom. So if you don't have a printer, don't worry about it. If you can even just, if you're away, review the note ahead of time, so you're caught up with us when you return. All right, and then you can just grab the note and you can fill it in. I have a variety of other icons here: assignments, quizzes, and grades. That's where your grade will be. And I have everything that we have done so far. It's located here. Okay, Unit 1 and our course information. Okay, so if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me an email. All right, okay, good luck.